Hello beginners, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel you will learn everything from basic editing to advanced motion graphics, VFX and 3Ds. And in Premiere Pro, if you learn all these tools, you will get basic skills in video editing. Our first tool is Razor tool. And I'm saying don't use this razor tool because this razor tool requires a lot of steps, amount and energy to perform. Instead of using this razor tool, use add edits and ripple edits. Now in add edits, we use 4 short commands. If you want to delete this part of a clip, from this playhead, press Q from your keyboard and this will delete all backward part of a clip from your playhead. Now come back, and if you want to delete all this forward part of a clip from this playhead, press W from your keyboard and this will delete all forward part of a clip. And if you want to delete this part of a clip, there are two ways. The first is make a split, Ctrl Shift K, again make a split, Ctrl Shift K. Now adjust your playhead by using arrow keys. When the required part is highlighted, press Shift plus Delete. The reason for pressing Shift plus Delete is that if we delete this part simple, the gap will appear. Then we have to adjust manually. To remove this difficulty, we use Shift plus Delete. And the second method is that make a split by using Ctrl Shift K, adjust your playhead, press Q from your keyboard. This is called add edits. And if we have a multiple splits here like this one, and we want to delete random clips, now select a clip by holding Shift, press Shift plus Delete. You can see the method is same. If you want to delete these clips, then don't select them all and press delete. Don't do this. Use this track selected backward tool and track selected forward tool. Press A from your keyboard and select a clip. All forward clips will be selected and press delete. And if you want to delete backward splits, the short command is Shift A. The arrows will be turned to back. Now click on the last split and all other splits will be selected. Now press delete. This is the end of this tutorial. I have already uploaded tutorials on all these tools. The links are available in description. If you found this content helpful, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.